Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Fidelity's cash management services. Alright, if you've been wondering how to use Fidelity's cash management services, this video is for you. It's going to be a really quick one. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any more time at all and jump straight into the video. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is to log into your Fidelity account. You can choose to do so on the online website, or you can choose to do so through the Fidelity mobile app on your mobile device. And once you're logged into your Fidelity account, you just want to click on Cash Management, and then you're going to click on Overview. Now there you can browse the cash management services that are available on Fidelity. You got a bill pay, transfers and whatnot. So just go ahead and set up bill pay and transfer services. And you can also manage your cash flow and account activities here on Fidelity. Likewise, you can use the cash management tools to stay organized, as well as to monitor your account balances and transaction history. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Fidelity's cash management services. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.